Default export in JavaScript. Default export in JavaScript is a feature in which we export a single value or function or object as the default export from a module. This default export is the primary export from the module, and can be imported with any name in other module. And we can only have one default export per module. For example, inside this component.js module, create a login user function, which take parameters username, then console log, username logged in successfully. Then another function is logout user, which only log a message, user logged out successfully. Then we export logout user as named export. Named export means these exports are identified by their names when imported into another module. And now we export login user as default export. Now inside script.js file, I import login user as the default export and logout user as named export. Now we call login user by passing Tony as username and also call logout user. And it shows login and logout messages.